What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about ways to get traffic to your website. And this platform that I'm on is called My Ads Up. But you can come here and you can buy traffic. Like if you're just starting a blog and you're not getting traffic to it right off the top, you could come here and as little as $1, you could get 100 website views to your blog, your YouTube video, any type of website you want. If you're affiliate marketing, you can come here and get some traffic. But and as a bonus, you can also earn money here as a bonus. But we're not really going to talk about that. We're just going to talk about you can get views to your site. And as you can see, this website done got over 10 million views. 10 million people done visited this site. And and the company's done paid out $2.3 million. And they done shared $2.3 million in ad revenue with the members. But this is a good place to come and get traffic to your website. And the traffic is targeted is because it's people on here. If your advertising is good enough, it's already people on here that some are looking for opportunities. Some people are already in opportunity. Excuse me, but if your advertising is good enough, you can get people and to take a look at whatever opportunity you're in. But my main thing with this would be this would be good for, like, if you just started a blog and you're trying to get traffic to it, and you want to, so eventually, like, whatever you're trying to rank for, this can help because you're getting eyeballs to your website probably every single day, depending on how much you spend on advertising. And basically, I'll tell you a little bit about how everything works over here. And as you can see, I'm in group 7 and I'm making about $6.50 a day. And I'm like 109,000 bonus ad points away from hitting group 8. And group 8 pays you excuse me. And group 8 pays $10.70. And as you can see, it works off of these bonus ad points. The more bonus ad points you have, the more you make every day. And this is what you make every day, depending on how many bonus ad points you have. So I'm like $30 away from really hitting this, but like I'm just building it off of building it over time. But my goal is to get to making a 400 a day. And you surf 20, you get 25 ads a day, you get 5 bonus ads, and you get 20 paid ads. And your paid ads will equal up to whatever group you're in. And I'm about to hit group 10. I probably will hit this. I probably go ahead and top it up this week. So I'll be earning 10 a day. And then I'll build it. And every time I get close to the next group, usually I just go ahead and however much it is, I just top it up myself. And so I can get to the next level. But I'm gonna do that until I get here. And once I get here, then I'm gonna withdraw 700 once a week, and then that way, because I'll be able to. I think you'll be able to withdraw about 132 a day, but I'm not gonna withdraw the 30. I'm gonna keep on building it because eventually I want to get here, and I'll be able to withdraw $200 a day to put into my other ventures that I have going on. And I have a real outside. I have a t-shirt business that I'm running too. So this would help out with cash flow. But that's basically it. That's how everything works. And depending on what group you're in, you lose your bonus ad points. And for group 7, you lose like 13,000 a day. And while I'm in here, I might well go ahead and buy my bonus ad points. I'm gonna go ahead and basically show you how you come in here and buy the ad packs, whatever the link is. You go ahead, like I already have one saved in here, and you just buy, hit continue, and then you go back, and now you can see now I'm at 644,000 bonus ad points. So, and you see my cash, they both dropped down 90 cents, 89 cents. And I had brought a referral in. Maybe it came from one of my videos because that's the only thing I did. I never promoted the link or nothing. I just did a couple videos on it. But as you can see, I'm at 644,000, and I'm closing in on group 8. But if you're looking for some cheap website traffic, I'll leave my link in the description, and you can create a free account and you can come check it out. And if you're new here, like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.